What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have with me here my current two favorite clipper. First, the Oster Act 10. Second, the Oster cordless 76s. The purpose of this video is to showcase my blade collection and kind of create a small discussion in regards to the blades and the Andis and all of that stuff. Shout out to some Custom Made Barber School in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? All right. I hope you watched my unbox video on the Oster 76s recently. I posted it about two days ago, maybe 3 days ago. I recommend that video, of course. I had a big surprise on that video, and I appreciate that. But we're not going to go into discussion until you see the video. I recommend you watch my unbox video on the Oster 76s. Also, if you're new to the channel, this is the time you subscribe right now. I found out recently 76% of the viewers do not subscribe to the channel. What's going on? Don't you want to encourage me? But anyway, I'm having a camera problem, so I'm going to keep the camera right here, and I'm going to bring my blades one by one and show you guys my blade collection. Now, I have a situation going on here. Is Andis versus Oster in my world. I prefer Oster's cordless detachable blade clippers, and I prefer Andis corded detachable blade clippers. And also, I kind of mix and match Oster's blades with Andis blades, but mostly Andis. I prefer Andis blades, something like that. But I'm going to give you guys an example, and then you just come to your own conclusion. By the way, all detachable blade haircuts. This is the all detachable blade haircuts factory. Maybe I should change it. I should change the name of the channel, call it all detachable blade haircut factory. But no, Barber Illuminati is a little bit more clever. But anyway, quickly, I'm gonna one by one. I'm gonna lift up my blades from the smallest to the largest. I have with me here Andis 50. One of my favorite. I prefer this 50 versus Oster's 50 for precision's sake. That's my reason for preferring one blade from another, because of the precision. It's very important to me that when I'm blending, that one blade easily merge into each other without any kind of friction. However, I prefer Oster's 000 versus the Andis 000. It's kind of weird. Then my next blade would be the OA Andis 1 Andis 1A Andis 1.5 also Andis. My number 2 blade Andis. My 3.5 also Andis. And lastly, my 3 3/4, which is a 13mm blade, I use as my number 4, and it is also a texturizing blade. Now, the blade collection that I showed you guys from 50 to number 4 is the essentials and all detachable blade haircuts. Now, if you have from 50, 000, OA, 1, 1A, 1.5, and number 2, that's just good enough. But if you want a full collection, I recommend the 3.5 and the 3 3/4. I prefer or recommend the Andis texturizing blade. What else? I think this video is coming to an end. If you watched the video all the way this far, you truly are a true fan of the Barber Illuminati. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, I'm on TikTok under Marvelous Barber School. Also, I'm on Instagram under Barber Illuminati. Also, if you're in the Lake County area, you're looking for a barber school to attend, this is the place I recommend it. That's it.